Today I will show you how to put your Sony A1 into 8K video mode. So first of all, we need to go into the settings by pressing the menu button. Now that you're in the menu, you want to go to the top icon where it says file format. You can either do that by pressing the right key on the little wheel, or you can press the center button to select it. And as you can see, we're in HD at the moment. You simply scroll to the top where it says the 8K option. Then to select the type of 8K, you have to go into movie settings and then into record setting. This will then show you 4 possible options, with the top option being the highest possible quality that you can get from this camera in video mode. In order to film in this high quality, you will need a CF Express card or something very similar that allows you to record in this high quality. The top 3 options all require you to have this faster card. Therefore, if you have a slower card, you can just use the bottom option, which means you can use less expensive cards and still get incredible quality. I hope this is a useful video. Feel free to follow for more like this.